I've got a few minutes before I've got to leave, and I want to make this super quick and easy tank. Let's do it together. Time to quickly sew up this tank, and it's gonna be so quick and super easy. So we're gonna grab our backs and face them right sides together. I'm doing white on white. Same time, I'm gonna match up those shoulders right sides together, just because I want to do everything at once. So it's like 2 steps. Sew the backs, sew the shoulders, sew the sides. Well, I meant 2 trips to the sewing machine. That. Then we're gonna prep our neckband and arm bands, facing them right sides together and sewing the raw edge. Well, that's 2 different places. Facing them right sides together and sew the raw edge. Let's go sew that. We're almost done. This is, like I said, simple and quick. Like, my tank is sewn already, and now we just have to attach bands. So I'm gonna match up the shoulders and go to the front and the back. I already have the mark on the back, and then match up, because that's a back seam right there, match up the back seam and the front and go to the sides, and that's what's going to give me the marks on where I need to attach my band. And then you can do the same for the shoulders. You already have the 2 sides, for the arms, you have the 2 arms, so you're going to match those up and go to front and back. Okay, and then do them both. And then we gotta prep our neck bands. Folding them right sides together. Matching going to the front, marking it, and then matching the front and back and going to the sides and marking them. Now not the last thing, I say the last thing but the last thing will really be hemming. But almost the last thing is to attach our band by matching up those 1/4 points. And I like the one that has the seam to go in the back. So we match them right sides together. All right, let's go sew it up. Next is just hemming. So we are basically done with our tank. So I'm going to give it a good steam. And tuck in our hem. Now we just have to hem and we'll be done. After this little sew, usually I give you my little outro where I show you my make and tell you to subscribe and comment and like, but I forgot to do that part. So I'm just gonna show you my tank really quickly here. I used a curved hem tank by Ellie and Mac, and I love how it turned out. Look at me making stupid faces. Anyway, I also have a little treat for you. I did wear it on my cruise. I didn't get a great picture of it, but I did get a little behind the scenes video of me wearing it. I was cold, so I was wearing a sweater, so you can't even tell I have it on right now, but I do, trust me, it was so cute. I love how it turned out. Yes, I forgot how to do the Macarena because last time I did it was like 8th grade. So anyway, please subscribe and go grab this pattern and sew it up with me. Bye!